Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by freeing resources and opening Chrome so the update proceeds smoothly. Close resource-heavy apps, then launch Chrome from the Start menu or taskbar. Once Chrome is open, go to the three-dot menu, choose Help, then About Google Chrome. That screen both shows your current version and automatically checks for updates. While it checks, stay on this page so downloads can begin. Doing this first reduces interruptions and ensures you're updating the right installation quickly and reliably. After About detects an update, Chrome downloads it in the background. Let that process finish. Once the download completes, you'll see a Restart button. Click it to apply the update. If Chrome needs elevated rights, Windows will ask for administrator permission. Approve that to continue. Make sure you save any work in other apps before restarting. Once Chrome relaunches, it will finalize installation and migrate tabs. This step ensures new security fixes and features are active without altering your browsing data. Finish by verifying the About page reads Google Chrome is up to date and shows the newest version number. If the update failed, try simple troubleshooting. Disable third-party antivirus briefly and retry, or boot Windows into safe mode with networking to avoid conflicts. If errors persist, download the latest Chrome installer from an official source and reinstall. This preserves profiles in most cases. One key tip: if reinstalling, sign into Chrome to restore bookmarks and settings. That prevents data loss and speeds recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.